Have you ever had a time where you found yourself locked out of Windows? Maybe you forgot your password or you're locked out for some other reason? Well, if you're using Windows 10 and this has happened to you, you're in luck because I'm going to show you how to fix this today. So as we see here, I'm simulating a case where I forgot my password. I've tried to input it several times and it didn't work. So if you look at this icon down there, this opens the utility manager. So the workaround involves inserting a Windows 10 installation media. In this case, we used a flash drive, so we're going to boot into that right now. So right now we're booting into the Windows setup. And on this screen, we're going to go ahead and click Next. And at the very bottom, we're going to click Repair Your Computer. Okay, now we want to click Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. So at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to copy the executable for the utility manager to the root of our hard drive. In this case, it's D. It's all part of our drive arrangement. In this case, it happens to be D drive because I have C drive and then nothing else, so it has made my C drive D. So we've copied the utilman.exe file to the root as a backup. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take cmd.exe and we're going to copy it into the Windows System32 directory as utilman.exe. So that way when we click on that little icon once we reboot our computer, instead of it launching the utility manager, it's going to bring up a command prompt window. And that's where we're going to enter, or that's where we're going to activate the built-in administrator account. I'm going to go ahead and restart the computer now into Windows. Now since we've done that, when we click that little icon at the bottom right of the screen, it should pop open a command prompt window at this point. Okay, and in this box, we're going to type in the following command. It's going to be net space user space administrator space / active : yes, and then press enter. What this is going to enable the built-in administrator account. And this next step isn't necessary, but just to verify that it is active, you can go ahead and type in net user administrator, press enter. Basically going to show you right here that the account is active. Okay, so right now the administrator account is enabled, and there's no password set on the account at this time, so I'm going to go ahead and restart the computer, and we should have that account as part of our users when we come back up to the login screen. All right, and as you can see on the bottom left, we see administrator. Go ahead and click that. It should log us right into the computer. Now at this point, if you have a local account that you're locked out of, you can go ahead and keep watching this video and I'll show you how to reset the password on that account. Now if it's a Microsoft account, you should be able to reset your password on the Microsoft website, but just for the sake of example, I'm going to show you how to reset the password on your account if it is a local account on the PC. So as you can see, we're in the administrator account at this point. So what I'm going to do is launch the Microsoft Management Console. So go ahead and type mmc.exe in your run dialog box. This is going to pop open the Microsoft Management Console. Now what we want to do is click on File and remove Snap-on. Local users and groups. Click Add. Continue on from here. Click OK. Now we have our local users and groups Snap-in enabled. So we're going to look at the account that we're locked out of, which is my account. I'm going to right click on the account, click set password, and then type in the desired password that you wish to set on the account. And then just as a side note, this will only work with, I believe, the higher versions of Windows 10. So if you have Windows 10 Home, unfortunately, I don't think it allows for the local users and groups Snap-in to be loaded in the Microsoft Management Console. If that is the case, if you have any questions, you can reach out to me and I should be able to walk you through some other steps to be able to reset your password. So now that we've set the password, we're going to sign out. And then we're going to try to sign back into that account that we just set the password on and see if it lets us in. So go ahead and type in the password there. And you should be all set. Hey everyone, this is Rob. I just wanted to take the time to thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me in the comments below, or you can send me an email to rmayor0428@gmail.com. If I possibly went a little fast for you, what I'm going to do is leave a detailed write-up of everything you saw in the video. I'm going to leave that in the description below. And of course, if you found this video helpful, please don't hesitate to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'd appreciate it very much. So once again, I'm Rob, and thanks for watching.